Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Luma fade video transition on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video on the second one, go to remove background and select auto removal. Then you are going to want to get a video with like a sky, like as well as like greenery, maybe like this one, and place it like on top, like kind of midway here. I might make the video a little bit shorter than it is. Then on this one, go to the chroma key section and just select the blue area. And then you're going to have the intensity up to like around maybe like 60%-ish here. And then like right about here, you're going to turn down the intensity to 0. Just going to make it like a little bit closer. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.